In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Dex Screener. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Dex Screener, then go to the left menu and scroll down over here until you see this option that does say sign in. Then go ahead and press on connect wallet. Then you will now have the option to open up the Phantom Wallet, so let's go ahead and press on that. Now, here's where things get really important. Now, you need to make sure that the Phantom Wallet account you're trying to connect to actually does support Ethereum, because keep in mind, Dex Screener does work on Ethereum, so I do have an account right now that does support Ethereum right over here. It supports all these different bases, so the point is you want to make sure that whatever Phantom Wallet account you're using, that Ethereum is actually supported. And you guys could always go ahead and make a new account at any point in time using Phantom Wallet, and from there, you can go ahead and actually make it so that Ethereum will work. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on connect. Then it is going to say to finish continuing, you must sign in a message in your wallet to verify that you're the owner. Let's go ahead and press on sign. Then let's go ahead and press on confirm like so. And then there you go. The wallet has been successfully connected. And from here, you guys can go ahead and start trading on Dex Screener using Ethereum. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.